when it comes to soldering.
You already know that the fumes may harm your health. So in this video, let's try to make a fume extractor out of a wasted face mask. So I've just washed it. So I cut the sleeves here and cut the edges. Let's get started. So here is a mask, and let's lay the fan here. So here you can see I just cut the mask according to the fan size and fixed it here. So what happens means when you keep this fan here, so you need to fix it onto the exhaust side. So here it sucks and here it leaves it. So when the fumes go through this fan, this mask will filter the fumes and make it as pure air. So thank you for watching. I will upload something new. And if you want any how to make videos like this, then please do comment on my videos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Maybe also comment. Stay creative and I will see you next time. Bye bye.